Hello everyone, I'm Lucian. I've built optimized ScrollView Adapter, which is a plugin for Unity that allows you to display large amounts of data on any device as a list, grid, or as a table. Basically going from this to this. Yeah, these are the demos, nested scroll views. You can have stuff like this, table view, so it allows you almost unlimited number of rows and columns, grid packed, yeah, all sorts of stuff like this. Grid with the subcategories. You can drag around here items like this. You can also drag them between lists. You can have a hierarchical view like this with sticky directories or categories. Page view like this. Nested scroll views like this. Vertical like this in the same direction like on the web. So you can also scroll with your scroll wheel. You can have looping spinners for all of your needs. Select and delete stuff in a grid which adapts with the available space. Chat-like, you can have the items adapt to their content size, yeah. You can scroll to an item, of course. Different prefabs per orientation, like landscape and then portrait if you want, like animated insertion or removal of items. Basically, it just recycles outside items, so you can have billions of them. And that's the secret. You'll go through the wizard, get a template, read the comments, and you're good to go to start your integration. There is a learning curve, don't get me wrong, this will take you a few hours at least, so pay attention to manuals, tutorials, and 27 full examples. You have everything you need, but also feel free to reach out on Discord. We have like 500 people there. So it started in 2016 when I built this game and I had to display the levels in the main menu. So I built this asset and I put it out there and I've got some pocket money and the rest is history. 8 years of happy users and sometimes disappointed users. And these are all of the apps that are currently using the plugin, and I'm pretty sure there are many more that I don't know about. 8-ball pool from Miniclip, 8 billion downloads, 1 million downloads, 1 million downloads, 500k downloads, 100k downloads. You can get the really tiny free version without recycling or shiny features. Enter Discord, hang around, and decide later if you want to buy the real thing. And you can follow me on Twitter. I'm building all sorts of cool stuff. See you around.